see the background.
What up, bro?
What up, bro?
What's up, bro?
What you feel like doing?
I feel like jerking. I don't care what time it is.
You gotta go bring your fat ass.
Alright, let's go get his fat ass.
Wake his ass up.
Wake your ass up.
DJ Faze.
Shit, time to jerk. Not bad ass boy.
Hey, your fat ass.
Hit me, man. Just woke up, man.
Yo.
Yo, big, wake up,
Man,
baby.
put your clothes on.
Yeah.
Yo, big, wake your ass up, 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 wake your ass up.
Hey, you know who it be? D.O.P.E. Boys LG. How you gon' say you better than us? Psych, never, y'all in the dust. Fast like a NASCAR from your little window. How we killing everything under the sun though. Clap, 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 going down a circle. Fuck with my crew till you jump like a hurdle. Both feet down with the middle one up. That's all for the haters, yeah, we don't hit ya. SOS, yeah, scrape on sight. Got your chick in the bed, yeah, up all night. Girl, give me them digits. Ice on the chain, leave a hot bitch frigid. Read it like a book, yeah, something like a novel. Pop champagne, oh yeah, she a model. Can you run it my way? Stacy Dash ass, that's my taste. Matter of fact, go roll the blunt up. Cause right now I'm fucked up. She told me never to love them hoes. So I dip it and flip it, then pass it to the bros. Yeah, tell me what it is though. Super fly like I jumped out a window. Play the bitch.
Bro. Like, he was like, bro, I'm a 2P. He like, oh,
Shut up about that. 10-7 cities. It's 5. What time is it?
yeah, what?
3:56 in the morning.
3:56.
3:50.
No.
This is like 5 o'clock.
It's like
Bitch, I
5
gotta
o'clock.
smack your ass for that shit.
That nigga Cheese is the jerking is getting to his head.
Yeah, he
Shout out to
had-
the cameraman Marcus.
Yeah,
You
shout
know
out
what
to
I'm
Marcus.
saying?
Shout out to his head too.
Yes.
Cause you know it get big every
Shout out
second.
to Polo Kids.
Shout out
Fat
to Polo
Justin.
Kids. Shout out to Polo Kids.
Um,
Shout outs to Stanley. Yeah, we gotta shout out our
Fat
man
ass.
Stanley.
www.aka7cities.com.
Yo, aka Mr.
Shout out to all the bitches that I fuck. Even though I diss them, I don't miss them.
Know what I'm saying? You know what I'm
Might have
saying?
kissed him.
Know what I'm
I
saying?
don't kiss them. I
Yeah.
think I do.
Now back to our show.
Live it up, split it up, switch it up. Six, get it up, man, I did it up, ton. Did it up, ton, 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 did it up, ton.
What it do? Yes, they call me KJ. I get the green, something like a payday. Fresh, like I live in a refrigerator. Steez might bite you, something like an alligator. I pull bitches, just like a Ford truck. I flip niggas, just like a back truck. I'm a king in this game, y'all bunch of fags. Nut on your bitch, call her fucking flex. Fresh kicks and some all black scenery. I get money, y'all get pennies. I get it in, no Lil Wayne. Everybody knows I go hard in the paint. My swag so official. Now you girl when I'm coming with a whistle. Yeah, I get it up done. My eyes play, man, and it's brighter than the sun.
Live it up, split it up, switch it up. Six, get it up, man, I did it up, ton. Live it up, split it up, switch it up. Six, get it up, man, I did it up, ton. Did it up, ton, 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 did it up, ton. Live it up, split it up, switch it up. Six, get it up, man, I did it up, ton. Live it up, split it up.
As you can see, we done jerking. Niggas is hot. Ready?
Damn. The sky getting kind of bright out here.
Yeah, we've been jerking since
Yeah,
like,
the birds chirping.
yeah.
Birds chirping.
Jerk to the
Starting to come
bird
back.
chirp. Niggas starting to go to work.
Jerk to the bird chirp.
Yeah.
Jerk to the bird chirps.
Go hard or go
Jerk
home.
to the bird chirp.
Go hard or what, Cheese?
Go home.
Go hard or what?
Go hard or go home.
Okay, that's all. That's all.
No, y'all need to go home because we the only ones that
They
need to
go
jerk.
hard. Yeah.
And we the only ones that go hard and fuck the other groups.
Fuck the other groups.
Except for my niggas, y'all know who y'all is.
Yeah, except for y'all niggas, y'all know who y'all niggas is, not niggas.
But the other ones, the other niggas, look.
They're not a nigga. They're not a nigga. They're not a nigga. They're not a nigga.
Other niggas saw me.
Happy birthday to Cheese. Okay, oh yeah, y'all. Put your ass up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Don't answer the fuck.
Oh shit, they jumping my nigga. Oh.
Bro, what? Bro, Truck, where you put the headphones at? Why are you playing the game with the headphones?
Oh shit.
Headphones outside.
Man, come on.
Come on, bro. Left the headphones outside.
Pickle juice.
Don't lock the door. It's open. Alright.